Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an appointment schedule in Google Calendar in 2026. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. On the left side, click the plus icon next to booking pages and select Appointment Schedule. Now you'll see the Appointment Schedule Setup page. Start by entering a title for your appointment schedule. For example, you can type consultation meeting or online appointment. Next, choose the appointment duration. You can select 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or any duration that fits your schedule. Now set your general availability. Choose the days you want to accept appointments, such as Monday to Friday, and set your available hours, for example, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also check the time zone to make sure it is correct. After reviewing your availability, click the Next button. On the next page, you can customize your booking page, add a description, and choose what information people need to provide when booking an appointment. When everything is ready, click Save. Your appointment schedule is now created. To share it with others, open the booking page and copy the booking link. Send this link to your clients, students, or anyone who wants to book a meeting with you. Whenever someone books an available time slot, the appointment will automatically appear in your Google Calendar. That's how to create an appointment schedule in Google Calendar in 2026. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Calendar tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.